Let's take a look at the X-ray machine, model 3640. If the battery is not installed, how do we resolve the resulting malfunction? In other words, after installing the battery properly, how do we clear the error? Alright, right now the battery has been removed, it's already taken out, there's no battery. Let's turn on the machine and see what kind of error it shows. Let's power it on and check the error. Here, take a look at this. Hold on a moment, let's see. After removing the battery, we'll power on the machine and check what error it reports. We are currently getting this many errors and there are quite a few errors present. Please hold on for a moment. Alright, this is the Chinese interface. I'm not sure if earlier it was the English interface. Okay, on the English interface, these are all the errors. Now let's install the battery back in. First, you should completely turn off the machine and then power it down entirely. Alright, we must make sure the power is off. Here, after shutting down, disconnect the power and unplug it. Do not let it be powered on, it must not be powered on. The controller cannot have power. After I open it up, we'll install the battery. The battery is ready, let's put it in. Make sure to install it this way. This is the negative terminal, the positive terminal goes in front, the negative terminal at the back, and then insert it. Alright, let's proceed to power it on once again. This time we will carefully and deliberately turn it on one more time, ensuring a complete and successful initiation of all systems and functionalities. Alright, let's enter the password. Let's proceed to change the current date. First, we absolutely need to update the date setting because the persistent warning message is still present and it's clearly still there, visible on the screen. We need to initiate the process of modifying the current date setting within the system. Specifically, we will proceed to adjust the calendar to the year 2025, then pinpoint the month of August, and finally select the 12th day of that month. Once these precise date parameters have been established, it is crucial to confirm and secure these changes by executing the save function. Following the successful preservation of the new date, the final step involves disengaging from the current interface or application by performing the close operation. The fault is still there, so we need to inflate it. After finishing, inflate it again. Alright, let's proceed to completely shut down the machine and then carefully inflate it. The machine is in fact already powered off at this very moment, so regrettably, I am unable to inflate it right now as it requires power to operate this particular function. Let's wait. Alright, now I'll enter the password again. See, there's no red warning, right? There's a yellow warning light illuminated. I haven't yet turned the ignition key. Since the key has not been turned, it signifies that the previous fault has been successfully resolved and the fault code has been cleared. Furthermore, I haven't activated the lithium battery system at this moment. Now just get ready to go home for dinner and you can print. It's fine now. This warning is just because I haven't turned on the controller. It's not a problem. There's no more red warning. It's gone. Okay, this is a detailed explanation of the essential battery installation procedure. You absolutely must meticulously follow my precise method. Otherwise, the persistent red warning indicator will unfortunately not go away. After we carefully install the battery, specifically, if you happen to receive the machine without a battery initially, then after successfully installing the new battery, you must first accurately set the current date to the precise present date, and then subsequently perform a complete restart of the device. That particular process will effectively ensure that all of the troublesome red fault indicators will be completely and permanently cleared from the system. Otherwise, if you don't change the date and leave it at the default after installing the battery, the fault warning won't go away.